Yes, in a major breakthrough for security forces in Chhattisgarh, security forces have now uncovered a significant cache of arms and ammunition, and this was during an anti-Naxal operation that took place in Abuj Mud forest of Narayanpur. Now, the district police in this case have confirmed that combined teams from DRG, STF and ITBP carried out the operation on August 24th, and they targeted multiple hideouts used by Naxal insurgents in the area. And this very operation led to the recovery of a huge quantity of weapons. Now, they're believed to be dumped by recently surrendered Naxalites. So, a clear sign, officials say, of crumbling militant infrastructure in the region. Now, remember, the arms were seized from about 4 to 5 separate locations, indicating again a possible network of abandoned cache across a dense hostile terrain. And in fact, this marks yet another success in the ongoing crackdown against Red Terror in the state. And this is as security forces continue to tighten the grip on insurgent strongholds in the area. So this is the latest we're getting in from the Indian state of Chhattisgarh. In a major crackdown on Red Terror in the state, the police have now seized a large cache of arms and ammunition. They've uncovered a significant cache of arms and ammunition during an anti-Naxal operation that took place in Abuj Mud forest area of Narayanpur specifically. Now, the district police have also confirmed that combined teams from DRG, STF and ITBP, they all carried out this operation on August 24th. They targeted multiple hideouts using different techniques. Remember, these hideouts were used by Naxal insurgents in the area. And this very operation led to the recovery of a huge quantity of weapons. Now, these weapons are believed to have been dumped by the recently surrendered Naxalites. So, clearly, this operation is a sign that the militant infrastructure is crumbling in the region. Now, the arms were seized from about 4 to 5 separate locations. And this also indicates a possible network of abandoned caches across the dense hostile terrain. Now, viewers, this operation marks yet another success in the ongoing crackdown against Red Terror in the state, as the security forces continue to tighten their grip on insurgent strongholds in the state. Remember, this Chhattisgarh is a part of the Red Belt in India, where Naxalites have strongholds in these dense forests, in fact. So it becomes very difficult for the security forces to enter these areas and carry out these operations. And now, certainly, this operation is a major breakthrough for the security forces and is a boost to their efforts to crack down on the Red Terror. Now, to talk about this operation, they have uncovered a significant cache of arms and ammunition. This was an anti-Naxal operation carried out in Abuj Mud forest of Narayanpur.